Alright, y'all. Redneck Andy's back in his house, y'all. Got this 2000 something or other. 2000 maybe. I don't know. It's a Kia. The guy brings me it. The key is stuck inside and cracked off inside there. And so when you can't turn the key, you can't push the little button on the bottom. But on this Kia, it's nice. It's real nice. It's got a stupid little pop metal, about a millimeter of metal. I just took a flathead here. If you look right here, and you can just you can chisel away until you get down to the button, and then the lock cylinder slides right out. And then the nicest part about it is that there's this plastic thing here, because the lock cylinder was popping out when I pulled the key out, but then you put this plastic piece back there and it holds it in there for you. And I being Redneck Andy, badass that I am, I got that key out and I fixed the whole thing and it all works now. Let me show you. Turn, turn, turn. Now dude just needs a battery. Y'all have a good day.